Hi, I'm Dawn Moore, and I am honored to be TLTA's 2014-2015 president, which just so happens to also make me TLTA's 100th president. I'm history in the making. I know each of you are busy, and aren't we grateful for that? But let me take just a moment to encourage you to attend the TLTA Annual Conference and Business Meeting June 18th through the 20th at the Gaylord Texan Resort in Grapevine. Lots of great networking and education opportunities will be available. You will have a unique opportunity to mingle with and hear from several experts in the real estate, banking, and mortgage industries regarding the new TILA RESPA integrated disclosures and how they will affect all of our closings coming August 1st. We will also hear from David Foster, a partner with Norton, Rose, and Fulbright in Washington, D.C. He will share his insights on the priorities of the new CFPB as it pertains to enforcement of TILA and RESPA rules. Then, backed by popular demand, Evan Smith will provide his unique insight and perspective on the recent legislative session, what it means for us as Texans, and which of his predictions came true from last year. You will also have the honor of hearing from ALTA President Diane Evans, who recently testified twice before Congress on the effects of the new TRID regulations. We couldn't have a better representative for our industry at this time than Diane Evans. She represents us with knowledge and grace. She makes us look good. Diane will also moderate a panel of lenders who will share their thoughts on the TRID implementation. Several major title and escrow software vendors will be there to demonstrate how the closing disclosure is prepared and works with your and the lender's systems. And of course, you can't have all work without a little fun, and we'll have plenty of that with our annual Burt Massey Golf Classic tournament at the Cowboys Golf Club. We'll have an opening night reception and then the President's Dinner and Dance, where we will recognize special persons with our annual industry awards and enjoy our 5th annual live TLTA PAC auction featuring our very own auctioneer extraordinaire, Jeff Copeland. After that, we will pay tribute to Motown with Matchmaker Band. Stay around for the dancing. For more conference information and to register, go to TLTA.com and click on the conference link at the top of the page. So join us June 18th through 20th in Grapevine for what promises to be an educational and fun conference. I'll see you there.